for this question, we are asked to find the z-score. And to do this, we need to use the formula. And the formula for the z-score is basically z is equal to, and we have x minus mu divided by sigma. And so if you recall, x is the value that we're testing against the mean. Mu is the population. Mean. And sigma is population standard deviation. All right, so let's try to identify these values from the question above. So it says the class mean was 75. That's my mu. With a standard deviation of 4.8. That's my sigma. Calculate the z-score to 2 decimal places for a person who received a score of 77. That's my x. All right, so let's plug all these numbers into the formula. So this is equal to, let me put my division bar. Remember, when you have the subtraction in the numerator, you have to do that first. So let's get this going here. So I got to do 77. Remember, this is my x value, and I'm replacing it, minus 75 divided by 4.8. So this is going to equal 2 divided by 4.8. All right, and let me grab my calculator. Okay, so I have my calculator, and I'm going to do 2 divided by 4.8 equals. And I get 0.416 repeating. Let me make sure that's what I have. Great. It said 2 decimal places, so this approximately equals 0.42. And that's what's going to go in this box. All right, now is this unusual? All right, so remember we have our normal curve. So let me see if I can get a little bit more real estate on here. And our normal curve goes like this. Okay, and in the center, then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 0. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. And we consider anything unusual. So this part here is unusual. And anything less than 2 standard deviations, unusual. Wow, I can't write. And anything in between is considered usual. So since this value right here, 0.42, falls right about here, it is in the usual zone. So this is not unusual. All right, I hope this video helps with this question. It's pretty straightforward in terms of just doing the formula with the z-score and then determining whether or not your z-score is unusual.